So some other obstacles that we face when we problem solve is overconfidence. Again, we have talked about this before when we were in our research unit, but overconfidence is the tendency to overestimate the accuracy of your beliefs or your judgments. It possesses some problems for making decisions, but it's actually associated with happiness and making tough decisions easier because you think that everything will work out in the end. So it actually keeps us from worrying. So it's actually not a really bad thing. However, it does pose some problems when we make decisions. Think of the last time you made a goal. You said it would be completed by a certain take, but how long did it actually take you, right? You probably were like, oh, this is only going to take me like maybe 3 days. And then, excuse the bell, and then it actually took you like a week or 2 weeks, right? That's overconfidence. However, on the opposite side of things, we also have exaggerated fear. Exaggerated fear is our tendency to exaggerate our fear or anxiety about how things may happen. Over worrying, right? Some of these fears are going to be ill-founded, right? So this is the idea that after a major tragedy, you're going to be really, really scared to travel by air, right? You might be really scared to travel on a plane because you saw this tragedy happen. This is like overthinking or over-analyzing things, and that might be lead to more anxiety in your life. Finally, we have framing. Framing we have talked about a little bit already, but it's how an issue is presented, and this can affect your decisions. So if we present the same information in 2 different ways, we can get 2 very different results. The more positive you make something sound, the more people will respond to it. So for example, what is the best way to market ground beef? As 25% fat or 75% lean? You're going to go with 75% lean. Another way, surgery, 90% success rate or 10% failure rate. We're going to go with the 90% success rate. You framed the decision in a way that makes it sound better than it is, even though you're getting the same information both ways. So how is this different from priming an issue? Well, framing is how you present the information itself, or how we ask the question to alter a response. Priming is presenting a stimulus that alters the way we respond to the information, okay? So priming, we're given a stimuli, and it changes the way that you answer a question, okay? So framing is how you ask the question. Priming is, here's a stimulus, now here's a question. Your response is going to change because of that stimulus.